How to easily add text in CapCut. So to start, we'll have to open our CapCut application, and then in here to start editing, we'll have to tap on this import options so we can add photos and videos here. So as an example, I'm gonna select this one, and then after that, tap on open, and then we'll have to add this one here. To do that, we'll have to tap on this plus sign, and then I'm just gonna make this one longer. So to add a text, what we need to do is to tap on this text option, and then after that, tap on this plus sign. And then in here, we'll have to go right here so we can edit the text. So as an example, I'm gonna type here tutorial videos. And then to edit the text, all you need to do is to scroll down. It will show you pre-style selections. As an example, I'm gonna select the black one. And then after that, you can also make the font bold. Simply tap on the bold option. And then if you want to add a background, all you need to do is to scroll down and select the background option. After that, you can also change the color. Simply tap on this one. As an example, I'm going to change mine to blue. And then once you're done with that, you can also animate your text. To do that, simply tap on this animation option. And then you will be given three choices: in, out, and then loop. So as an example, I'm just going to select this fade in option. And then I'm just going to add a loop animation. As an example, I'm going to select this flash effect. So as you can see here, that's how easy you can add text in CapCut. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!